spontaneously being hurt.
Oh.
Oh, that's a fun one with the old drones.
Yeah, it's much better than the.
Which part is the
No, I need chase. I need
the.
Oh god, not a spitter. Oh Jesus Christ, not all these enemies.
Oh my god. You find any things that require money? Anything that you found that requires money?
Yeah, I did.
Some sitting at night. If you find any actives though,
It's inactive. There's 2 shrines up here.
Both or otherwise?
Otherwise.
Oh yeah, I see that.
Other one costs 100.
Oh boy. Time to Goomba things. Having this mini meal is great. It's so good.
Oh boy. Oh god.
Oh, hello. I'm back to you. Yep,
150. Oh my god, there's 3 of them! Oh my god!
Rock the shrine! Rock the shrine!
Oh my god! Drones!
Oh. Absolutely your fault.
You have died. Maybe next time.
And then we got like a watch thing, like a sight.
Okay.
May as well try it again.
Oh, well.
If only we had 2 more. So upon looking at these maps again, it doesn't look like they're randomly generated at all. They just have a good mini maps. These milk geysers. But for the most part, everything is well, a good amount of the things are random, but there's the maps themselves just get mobs on them. From what I can tell, are
Yeah. What'd you get? Oh, you leveled up.
although there's a sprouting mushroom over here, which I'm gonna pick up. Being the enforcer that I am.
I'm gonna try the shrine. Ooh, yes.
Scaling drone. We got a system.
I'm gonna go grab the
I
chest.
think I already have all the monster logs for all the first level monsters.
Probably. I think we all both do.
Although I do have the Magmorm monster log, but I haven't looked at that yet. Ooh, this light baby.
Ooh. Ah, spitter.
Spitter?
Those green flame thingies.
Oh, this is
Not Wisp. Wisps are annoying.
Step 2. Profit. No, stop it. Don't get behind me. Punch you. Fuck, I'm dead. I should my, ukuleles. They were pretty great. Oh, since I never think we did a overview of what the Enforcer does. First ability fires a shotgun, it's linear range. Second ability is a shield bash, knocks him back, deals bonus damage. Third one, if you drop down my shield, I get faster fire and this is the Enforcer's will build.
I think there's some other stuff though.
I'm also taller than very tiny commander.
Banners that have to be spellman. They have to infiltrate into places unknown.
You gotta be fast, or people will get you.
Yeah. Ooh, barbed wire.
Spikes. So what percentage is the shotgun does 160% damage on the shotgun. I know your pistol deals like 2 shots for like 60% damage.
Ooh, yes.
Shield is 200%.
I know.
Oh, are those imps?
Yep.
What's that? Oh, air ground missile. Nice. Very good. No! We haven't lost him because
Yep. No. I think we got him. No. No, we lost him. We just got too far.
he must have gone way over there.
You want to keep looking? I'll see.
I remember seeing some drones back there. I'm gonna grab more. Create the ultimate defensive, mobile defensive bunker. I'm scared to tell you that I know where the teleporter is.
Well, I've already seen it. I got a mortar tube and the air-to-ground missile.
Oh. You can get that thing that makes all of your attacks explosive.
Yeah.
Explosions everywhere. This drone is looking far right, right?
I think so.
Right. Wait. Nope, guys are. Oh! Here it is. I should totally get 3 drops again.
See if we can find anything else. I think there was at the very far right there is a shrine.
Maybe. I'll let you get that though. It's not that I'll see the explore here to the left. Like, it goes up and then it's down.
Alright.
Oh, store another drone. Yes. cool. It's a will-o-wisp.
Nice. Will-o-wisps are good. He's good.
Hopefully I can find a fourth. There are 3 chests over here. Ooh, one of them is a drone toolkit.
Good for you.
Oh, and then there's this goat slip over here.
Maybe. I don't think so. I think I'll be fine.
Gotta go fast.
What else?
Pick up the drone's toolkit though, but honestly I think this all works out for me just making the tankiest tanky tank. Although I don't really think I need to win this, but you know, whatever.
We need to deal with crowds somehow.
Oh my god, it just shoots a giant jet of flame from where they were up in the air.
Well, no, that does it anyways. Come on. I'm gonna activate the teleport. No, I'm gonna go all the way to the far right.
I have healing shrooms, but I haven't needed to pop them once. Did you grab everything in the top left?
Yeah, I think so. I might have missed one thing. You can look while I'm busy getting a shrine.
You got everything in the I'm gonna drop the teleporter.
Oh boy. I get 2 boxing gloves from that thing. Oh, let me get back over there first. Yeah. This is a nice chase. I got 2 boxing gloves. I can keep people at range.
Explosion is pretty great.
What, the explosion on hit?
Yeah, no, the explosion on this hospital switch on there. I think I would honestly rather have both of the boxing gloves and give you the
Sheep's foot is nothing.
I know.
I mean, I can still see how it's useful though. Because.
I can't do this. It doesn't appeal to the way.
Good job, Chase. Nope. You're doing a lot of
drones are
damage.
just unloading into one. It's not even. Oh, I think I lost one of my drones up there.
Oh god, what was that? Damage for no reason. What was that? Are you still fighting it?
No, it died.
Oh nice, I'm about that. Can we find a corner that I can hide behind you? Oh god. Nope. Yes. Don't forget to see. Why did that one guy jump in the air so far? Oh my god, that was so weird. Oh, thanks for that, Trace. Oh, there's an item.
Yeah, that's better for you. So great. It's like, oh, look, I'm with giant guy. I'm gonna hang out by the teleporter. Can you take out last 5?
Sure.
Yes, I shoot. Hear me.
I found all 5. They're right next to each other. Well, they're all on. Nope, never mind. That guy died. Let me just go.
XP just goes flying. It's just too much to see us. Whenever you do.
Oh, wait. Alright, go ahead.
Did you ever finish off that shrine?
Yeah, bro. And I got 2 boxing gloves off of it. Alright, let's head this way. Or not.
Yeah. We were there before. Ow. It's pain.
Apparently, you can use your commando, your shield in midair, and it'll stop the.
That drone is mine, you know.
I know. It'll stop the fall damage. Okay. No, I'll just do it.
No.
Okay.
I need that drone.
How should it see chase? One jump died.
Can you remember?
106. Oh, let me get the chest. Oh boy. Alright, let's go. No, you're staying over there.
We need help.
No, I'm good. I'm not 301. I got monster food. Go get the drone now. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Let me go see what's up here. You're gonna get the engineer first. I mean, I'll probably get the hunter. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Oh, nice. That's what you needed.
Cool.
What? Did you get the time scouting egg?
I did. Because I already got my turn.
Then I needed it. Yeah.
When you pass, there's 135 chests.
Yeah. I have 200 and something.
Okay, head to the far left and climb up all the ladders. You'll eventually hit it. Ooh, an HP shrine.
What'd you get?
Goomba Stompers. I'll let you have them.
Okay.
Because you're actually movable enough to use them. Hurry though, they only stay for so long.
Chase, I know. The thing is, I'm busy fighting. Like a million enemies. Oh my god.
More drones!
Jeez, I'm about to die. Oh god. I've got 24 health, Chase.
I've got 8 drones.
Chase, I'm about to die. Oh, that's me. Oh my god. Oh my god, Chase. I'm sorry, but I'm about to die, so. You could make it your way here, so that'd be pretty great.
Good.
I'm sitting on 30 health, Chase.
Oh, you're literally just sitting there?
Well, I'm on one of those milk guys. Guys. There are 5 enemies waiting to kill me, Chase. What does the tough times do?
I reduces damage.
Oh.
You honestly probably could use that more.
Uh-huh. You're right, the thing is part of pink, the red symbol and stuff.
What happened?
The red symbol and stuff, it means it's talking about my pain.
Sorry, where I'm at, where I'm hosting from this.
Yeah. Okay, so are you good? Are you near?
I'm inbound.
Are you near me?
Couldn't tell you. We don't have a distance.
Oh, I mean, I'm at the 3 milk guys thing.
I'm walking. Oh yeah, I'm good.
Shall I go down?
Yeah, like.
Oh god. Yes, I like it very much.
Well,
There's nothing up there.
I got heals over there.
Yeah, let's go. Where do you want to sit for the teleporter? Where do you want to sit for the teleporter? You want to sit up here?
Yeah, I'll sit right now. Just like stuff like that. Oh god, push forward.
Oh god, it's back. I'm about to die. I'm just gonna hunt through it. Oh my god, not these things. This is so annoying. Okay, it's literally hitting me and just me. As in, I've got 7 or something health now. It's almost dead. I got it. Oh, it makes you trail fire when you walk. I think when you kill something.
Head over here.
Oh my god, yeah. Oh my god, again. Okay, so there's so many swords here, you have no idea. Oh my god, not these things. Oh god, I'm out. Sorry, Jason, I'm out. Oh my god, 4 health. I could have pleased that. Drive a boss less
No,
than
it drops like right in front of me.
Oh, I died. One of those like thingies went like.
Oh crap, spores.
Darn.
Bloody heck. My family will never know how I died apparently.
This item will not drop.
Spitters get me every time, Jerry.
Did you see what dropped for me?
No, it dropped.
It's some like man with like his guts ripped out. That's because I got. It's like a dull. I don't know. Hit play.
Okay.
Because like.
the Enforcer again?
I don't care. I like being commando. Yes.
Just leave the gold there. Oh, I guess. Okay.
Why do you never unlock these? Oh, yes.
Oh.
What'd you get?
Nice. That's some nice synergy.
Crowbar.
Gordon Freeman inbound. Gordon Freeman. Gordon Freeman. Gordon.
I gotta say, FMJ is really useful because it does a bunch of damage as well.
What do?
FMJ, it's the puncture thing.
I don't have FMJ.
Oh no, it's one of my skills. You have 20?
Oh, you're no, 20, 15. Oh, you're talking about your fourth skill.
Huh? Oh wow, there's 2 shops right here.
Let me grab the barbed wire. You're gonna want to grab the health vial. Increase your
This.
Or would you proc the Imp Shine?
Let's do that. Yep.
Nice.
Teleporter here. You can always use it and be like, oh, hey, yeah, we got all this money now. What do we do with it? Got one. I need 1 more gold. I mean, the vial is definitely useful, but I don't know what the other thing is. There's also this imp shrine right here. There's also this imp shrine right here. I want to be here for the imp shrine. I'll make it a lot easier. Okay. Does a lot of damage, Chase. Does that?
It's like, no, it's magic card 2 for now.
I could get the shrine.
No.
Hey, we can get the shrine. Oh, one more gold and we can get the shrine.
Oh, you're 1 gold away from that too?
Yeah. So what are you? What are you, 33?
Yeah.
Oh, looks like we can get both then. It tries. Oh. Oh, yeah, I did.
So weird.
Basically, you just want to keep filling shrines.
Yeah. Just failed that one. That's 1 point.
There's another imp shrine over here.
Yeah, I'll pick that up.
I got enough for it.
Okay. You wouldn't pick it up.
Ooh, yes. Alright, let's do the,
Dang it, I win.
Alright, let's go.
Proc the shrine.
I can't, I have 17.
Oh, 40.
I hope it's Colossus. so easy. When there's one of them. I need an ATG.
That'd be nice.
Hold on, where is it gonna spawn? Right here.
Mark 2.
Interesting.
Mark 2 air gun this way. Oh, you got it?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I said I need an ATG. Oh, well, that's 3 now. Oh my god, what?
Why don't I get next thing? All your things are wronging.
I'm supposed to be doing DPS. Oh, failed the shrine. You got something.
Oh, really? It actually found some echoes.
If I fail, it's from here. Do you have any money?
I say we look somewhere else though.
Go, Rain.
I don't remember seeing any 50 chests.
I don't either.
I guarantee you.
Oh, wait, we killed everything. Huh. That was easy. Thanks, Magworm. Did it reset your snake eyes?
Yep. Oh, no, it didn't. Oh, now
There
it
we
did.
go.
Dang.
Will of the Wisp.
I had four things on it, Jerry.
I know.
You just had to win.
Yep. I had to get the Will of the Wisp.
No,
So great. There's no 50 chests, I think. This is our spawn.
no, but up here,
There's more up there?
I'm pretty sure, yeah, because there's a container up here that hasn't been opened. Oh, crap, no. Oh, I've been forgetting how to snipe this whole time.
I used the rotten brain on the magma worm.
That's actually killed it.
I don't know.
There's...
Alright.
Oh, that's not it. Oh, okay.
Ooh,
We
yes.
haven't been here before.
Oh, we have.
We
We
have?
died like really. Yeah, we died really quickly, but we have.
So I remember going to the fungus thing every day.
Yeah, we can go here. It's pretty cool. I like this area.
What
What?
is it? I think it's 2 shops up there merged into one. Nothing particularly good though, although you might like the tea.
I'm gonna like the
Dice.
fruit.
Really? There's 2 shops, so I just want the. I'm gonna go for a random one.
Chase, they're following me. They're following me.
Okay. Ooh, there's a healing drone up here. I think that or a new some new sort of drone. Missile drone.
Oh yes, those are pretty good. I saw. I watched like 5 minutes. I'll take the drone. Okay, drone. Okay.
Alright, okay. Don't let me be drone boy.
How much was it? 181. Jesus. What's level up? Let's up to the shops. Shops might be a better idea. First. Brain!
Is that crosshair on
No, I don't have a cluster.
you? How do we even get
I don't know. How did I lose all my money? Oh no, I was not having a lot in the first place. No, but I thought I had more than 100.
What I saw is
I got enough for the drill now.
Get up there.
Yeah, I'm going. Oh god, what's green ones are supposed to be faster, right? The green types of monsters are supposed to be faster or what?
I don't know. All I know is that the different colors, when they have different colors, they're pink. Found the TP.
Alright. Not yet.
Yeah, no, I'm just saying I found it. Not a whole. Oh, here's a chest though. I'll unbox that.
I got the drill.
Ooh, willows.
Get up to where the shops were?
Can I head there?
No, did you get up there?
No.
Oh,
I
yes.
have honestly not found like anything.
It fires one missile. Everyone. Oh no, it fires a whole salvo. Never mind. I think I found the way up to the shop. I did. Oh, it's, of course it sounds where I am. Fighting 2 enemies already. Oh my god!
What was that? Was that the brain?
No, that was one thing. He hit my... he just came over here. Oh, yes. Yep. Oh my god. Chase, I need to get over to you. I don't know. I don't care. But you're over here. And that's help.
All the way on the right. I might like right next to the teleporter.
I did find the way to get to the 2 shops though, so. Oh god, guys. Oh god! That's stupid. Oh, that must be because of the drill. Yeah, but I did find the way up.
Oh, it's over to the right.
No, I mean the way up to the shops.
Oh, you didn't earlier? Or did you have?
I did. I just hadn't been able to do everything. Remaining enemy 21, so these are the last guys.
We're still running.
Oh, look, a willow. I'll take it.
Family found a willows?
I must be where the magnum one died. I don't know. No, I can't pick it up. I think it must be glitched.
Oh yeah, this one I picked up earlier.
Yeah, it must be glitched.
Why you know work on Starbound?
There's a different section of Chucklefish work on this. All I know, Chase, it's good.
Yes,
Oh my god! These missiles chase everywhere.
yeah. Oh, monster log.
Oh, can I get it?
No.
Well, I thought I was gonna be the huntress and you're gonna be the...
No.
What is it?
Magmore.
Oh, yeah.
You already have the Magmore?
Yeah, I think so. I don't remember. So.
Oh, there's no wall here.
Yeah, there's no wall here. That's how I figured out from the monster. Yeah. Hey, it's basically the first time into the third area. This will be the first time into the third area. And we did it without anyone dying. Alright, so I'll grab the...
I'm gonna grab the random. Oh, okay, that works. the brain.
The fruit is gonna be really useful. I wonder if there's an ATG missile Mark III.
Maybe someday. What was
Oh,
the
wow.
Mark II? Was the Mark II's name Red? Because I think Red is
Yeah.
the highest you can go.
All I know, Chase, is it's hilarious.
Agreed. Level 3. We unlock a new character, I think, for beating level 3.
Ooh, this is hilarious.
So we're just gonna rush TP.
Yeah, let's do it. What the
It's
fuck?
a yak!
Space Yak, no!
I forgot to friend Space Yak on
Oh.
Facebook Fury. On TP.
Good. Oh god.
Overlord. I don't think you can take this.
We're gonna do it, Chase. Why, did you die?
No, oh, I found a.
Are you...
I found a thing that lets you select the item you want.
Oh, cool. Well, Chase, first, let's defeat this.
Space Yak.
Are those crabs? Oh, it was mine.
What? Okay, I can select fast.
No, it's a random thing.
No,
He's showing you when it can drop.
No, it's showing you stop it. Right? Stop it. I was like, oh, crap. Oh, crap.
Oh my god, Chase, there's a lot of enemies here. Oh god. Are we no longer gonna stay up there?
Right here.
Oh god.
Oh.
I'm gonna die. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Chase, stay here. Stay here. I'm gonna die otherwise.
We don't have any mushrooms either.
No, but we have regen. And we just have to wait out a couple seconds for monsters to stop spawning.
By that time, the game should be harder and harder.
No, just wait 5 seconds. And for a monster to stop spawning, and we'll kill them all.
They do stop falling.
There we go.
Here's another one of the selected things I'm talking about.
How So am I. Like, solo, I'm about to die.
Oh, yes, I found mushrooms.
Yes.
I can't hold still to use them though.
Oh my god, 2 more. Oh, there we go. I've broken every bone in my body. Oh god!
No! What a troll.
Oh, yes, thank god. You just sit there.
Got mushrooms. This is freaking close.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I guess Penn's back.
Oh yeah.
You
Yeah.
have no idea how this up. Oh, what'd you get?
I got something?
Mechanical
Oh,
spike?
mechanical spider's cool.
You still recording?
Yep.
I guess you can select stuff, Chase.
Yeah, but I don't have any monies.
I have 479.
Yeah, I'm still recording. We actually made it to the third zone, the snow zone. So, and if we beat this, which we activated TP, there's only one enemies left, but he's dead, and it's the boss stuff. I'm in to kill them all, we both unlock a third.
Oh, a drone.
Oh boy.
What we think?
I honestly, I don't expect him.
Space Yak, no.
Watch them actually be called that.
I really wish I had more money for Steam.
Why is it
sale.
taking? Oh, because you're.
I would buy all the games.
This music, Chase. This music.
Okay. Alright, I got shrooms.
This music, Chase.
Pretty great. Well, all the enemies up there. Whatever. The suckers can make.
Oh, the moonies.
9 enemies left.
Loads of money. You know what we should do? We should do kill
Oh, what is that? BTT, nice.
Healing game.
Nice. I wish I had that, but oh well. I died. You guys drop down.
Ooh.
You guys
Hey,
drop
man.
down. You guys drop down, by the way.
I'll deal with them later. As you would say, busy.
I wonder where the import is. I guess they dropped all of
Very,
them.
very top.
Yeah, so the guys who made this Chucklefish, they're the guys who
We
made.
know.
I
Yeah.
talked about that a good deal. Ah!
Good job. How much money do you have?
95.
Paul's goat. Oh, so Pen, I found ATG missile launcher Mark II.
And ATG missile Mark 1 and a missile zone. There were missiles for the entire screen.
What does it do?
It makes it's
Everything
ATG.
shoots everywhere with missiles, basically. Is all how
It-
to describe it.
The missile drone just makes more missiles, and the ATG missile Mark II, it does 3 missiles instead of 2.
Oh, that's
Oh
the
my
total
God.
right there.
Oh, looks pretty
like
cool.
The, like, oh, hold on. I know.
Oh god, those are imps? That's quite scary.
Okay, my game is not launching in proper full screen.
Okay. Oh, forgot he could teleport.
He's behind you, Chase.
Oh,
Oh, he's got lasers. Stay here. He can't go down.
he doesn't regen either.
Good.
Oh wow. So the proper like scale of the game, so it doesn't look like crap, is 1 times, but then it's tiny.
Well, look, he went
Okay.
down. Oh, he
Oh,
took
oh my
falling
God.
damage.
Oh Jesus. I played him 3 times ago, because why not?
Oh,
Yeah, because then you can actually see what you're doing.
Yeah.
play on a 2 times.
3 times is default. It's
Really?
full screen.
Someone said 3 times.
Oh,
That's not gonna fear him. It just does damage to him.
No, but he is here, though. More than
Oh, huh, huh.
He doesn't know what to do. He was in my range. Okay, no, get out of my range. Get out of my range.
Alright,
I got
let
this
me
thing
know.
killing me for 2 points a
I know.
when you're ready.
game. Hurt that much.
Looks pretty cool though.
Ukulele!
What is that? Oh, go it. We
Weird.
got the bandit.
Cool.
Thing. Cool.
This thing dropped, but I can't do anything.
I don't know. I can just unlock it in general. So I guess you get to do a teleport. Difficulty insane.
Well, it's, this is not impossible.
Impossible.
I know the max difficulty is ah ha 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 ha.
It's pretty great. It's you would be awesome.
Time to get to the 4th level, Chase.
No, but here, you know what would be awesome?
What?
Fighting up Paul's goat.
Time to get to the 4th level.
Yay, my money turned into XP.
I was waiting for me to get my stuff. There we go.
The
Cool.
Oh my god, we were so screwed.
Okay, so you can go with those.
I took falling damage from that, even though I took my shield out.
Oh god. Oh my god.
I wonder if it's an insta-kill.
And no, you take
No.
damage.
They fire missiles at us.
I think you have to keep moving. I also have a mortar launcher, so I'll just be the
Oh
close.
my, what is this?
What?
Laser drone.
Oh god.
Oh boy.
613 now. Ooh, that's a lot.
More space, yeah.
Oh, you already have that. Oh god, I landed in lava. There's no foreseeable way out. Oh, never mind. Okay.
Space jack.
They still have space jacks in hell.
Uh-huh. Well, this is just Magnum form. It's not good to tell.
It's basically.
Oh, what's this? A rock thingy. Oh my god. Oh look, Chase. They're not milk shrines. They're not milk vaults. They're magma vaults.
Oh shit.
Oh, I'm actually down here. Oh,
Oh my god, there's so many enemies. Oh my god.
I got 75 health.
I've got.
Oh, we have shrooms. Oh god.
Oh
Go
god.
away. Go away.
Oh my god, I rolled this low.
Horrible.
Second time I've almost died into those. I'm about to die. There we go. Ryan has killed me. I think these guys are dead. Have fun
Oh,
trying.
great. I used my lantern midair, so I can do lovable. Go away. Panicking.
Yeah, at least they're on the ground now.
Panicking.
So you can find the TP.
I'm not panicking that much. Let's do super yak.
Oh god,
super yak.
more.
He died to the yak stage. He died to
Oh,
yak.
bighorn bison. I like space yak better. You gonna hop in, Pen?
Oh yeah, hold on.
Oh, I'm gonna go see how many I have.
Okay. Well, I guess this is Reginald
Oh.
Part 3, logging off.
1,